Hi, this is Colin Clark from Russound here at CEDIA 2016, showing you a little bit about what we have to offer in new products. I'm going to start with our light commercial offering, which really lets our customers expand their marketplace and get some more sales. So we start the line with our XOwn 70 volt. It's a 1U 300 watt streaming mixer amplifier. With all of our streaming services we have in our other Extreme line of products, so you get Spotify, you get Sirius XM. The key thing you want for this in a commercial product, Sirius XM for Business comes in the box. That's a service you can get that'll play licensed commercial music for any establishment where you set this up. So we're targeting coffee shops, yoga studios, gas stations, convenience stores, retail shops, places like that where you now have a dedicated commercial product that can work for you. The nice thing about this product is, because it's part of our family, the My Russound app that you're used to using, or our XTS touchscreen that you can use to control our products, will see this product seamlessly like any other Russound device. So if you're doing an outdoor zone in a home, 70 volt is the ideal way to do that wiring. You can use thinner gauge wire for cheaper wire and do easier wiring runs. So this product is great. It's a 70 volt unit, perfect for commercial applications, but it's also a great crossover piece for doing outdoor zones. And again, your customers, the end users, are going to see this seamlessly in the app and work with it to just see it as another zone in their system. So very easy to control. It's got a mic input on it, front panel controls, so you can adjust the volume. But the nicest thing about it is a very simple feature on the side. We built a square mounting bracket so that you can change your rack ears, rotate them one way, and mount this under a countertop in a gas station, convenience store, somewhere where there isn't an equipment rack. You can also pivot those same rack ears and mount this up against the wall. So a lot of features to keep the installers happy with the product. With this, again, the complementary line of things to have a complete commercial, light commercial products at launch. So we've got our new AW70 V6 speaker. This is an all-weather 70 volt speaker. In the back, we put in a little tap setting switch so that you can adjust the volume, adjust the tap settings, and it has a bypass switch so you can use this at a regular low impedance system. So these are 6 ohm speakers you can use in a residential installation at 6 ohm, or use a tap setting switch in a commercial or 70 volt application and adjust the volume easily on the back. We've got a completely redesigned bracket for our commercial installers. That's one of the stiffest, strongest, most reliable brackets you'll find, with extra reinforcements on it, so keeping these speakers exactly where you want them after you install them. And the last product to complete our 70 volt assortment that's going to be available at launch is our new 70 volt volume control. So Russound's been doing volume controls for years. We've just got our 6 millionth residential volume control sold. We're now starting with our 70 volt volume control, so it's a 50 watt volume control. Works seamlessly with all of these products or with any 70 volt amplifier. So that's the latest in our light commercial lineup here at CEDIA 2016. Thank you very much for your time. And next here at CEDIA, I wanted to show you our newest amplifiers from Russound. The first one I'll show you is our A2100. It's a 2-channel, 100 watt per channel stereo amp. It's a half rack design to complement other Russound half rack pieces. Inside the box, of course, like all other half rack pieces from Russound, you'll get the rack mount ears to mount this as a single half rack piece, or to mount 2 units side by side where you can mix and match whether you're joining 2 of these same models or any other Russound half rack piece together. All of that comes in the box to make it easy to rack mount for our dealers. Again, with this half rack design, this is a simple box that we've designed all the features an installer would ask for and nothing more. So we expect this to be the basic building block of any extra amplifiers you need for a zone, for an installation using our X source, or as extra power with one of our controllers, or with anyone's system to add extra power where needed. So this little box is a digital amplifier that can bridge the channels together for a powerful 225 watt per channel zone. If you go back to back in stereo in installation with 2 half rack pieces, you can get a 225 watt per channel stereo zone. A nice feature we did for our installers' benefit is we added a simple cable lock on the back. So for a very tiny little piece of metal, easily lock down the power cable. So plug in the IEC power cord, snap this down, and now your installers are free. When they're moving a rack around and servicing a system, there's no danger of unplugging the cord and getting a call back after they leave a job site saying something's unplugged, something's not working. So little feature, it doesn't cost much, but helps our installers. This one has, again, a bridge switch, so you can go to 2 channels at 100 watts per channel in stereo mode, or to bridge modes for a single 225 watt channel. Triggers in and out for 12 volt activation, so you don't have to lose the trigger input. You get a 12 volt in and a 12 volt out, and a buffered output to join this to other amplifiers. So a nice little package for a half rack piece, and that's available this month and shipping in September right after CEDIA. The next amp we have here has been a fantastic success for us. It's a solution to a problem that every installer has of adding better sound for televisions. When they don't have money in the budget to add a receiver into a system, they can upgrade a room easily for a very low cost. You get a very thin box, the thinnest one in the market. It's 1.2 inches thick, that you can hide behind a TV in a wall box or mount directly to the back of the TV on an articulating mount. In many cases, this will fit. And this takes the output from any television. It has digital optical inputs, digital coax, and analog inputs, and lets the end user use whatever remote control they have in the room to control this box. So very easily with learning 3 simple commands, a volume up command, a volume down command, and a mute command, you can make it simple for an end user without having to learn a new remote control system or buy an expensive receiver. You can upgrade the sound in the room with whatever speakers you'd like to sell them, and also add a subwoofer with a built-in subwoofer out, upgrade the package with a subwoofer, and let them keep using the same remote they've always used. So a nice little addition to the package from Russound. Again, that's our TVA 2.1 amplifier. Again, thank you for visiting us here at CEDIA 2016.